Good morning, friend. Today's question: what is the real way to build up characters? Answer by Krishnamurti. To have character means surely to be able to withstand the false and hold on to the true. But to build character is difficult because for most of us, what is said by the books, by the teachers, by the parent, by the government is more important than to find out what we ourselves think. To think for oneself, to find out what is true and stand by it without being influenced, whether what your life may bring of misery or happiness. That is what build characters. Say for instance, you do not believe in war, not to be cause of what some reformer or religious teacher has said, but because you have a thought it out for yourself, you have investigated, gone into the questions, meditate upon it, and for you all killings is wrong, whether it's killing to it, killing out of hatred, or killing for the so-called love of one's country. Now if you feel this very strongly and sticks to it in spite of everything's regardless of whether you go to prison or are sought for it as you may be in creation countries, then you will have a characters. Then character has quite a different meanings. It is not to character which society cultivate, but you see we are not encouraged in this directions, and neither the educator nor the student has the vitality, the energy to think out and see what is true and hold to it, letting the false go. But if you can do this, then you want to follow an political or religious leader because you will be a light unto yourself and the discovery and cultivations of the light, not only while you are young but throughout life is education. Thank you.